when you're accessing and modifying a dictionary, it's pretty similar to how you access and modify an array. So to go through some of the cool things you can do, we're going to be using this variable called dogages. And dogages is a dictionary with strings as its key and ints as its values. So first off, if we want to know how many items are in the dictionary, we can do .count. This is the exact same as an array, right? So we can see that. And if we want to add an item to the array, or the dictionary, excuse me, we can say dogages, use a square bracket, specify the key of the new item you want to insert. So we're going to insert a new dog whose name is Parker, and then you assign the value that should go in there. So we'll assign 15. So you can see we had the 3 items here. We added a new value with a key of Parker and a value of 15. And now dogages contains 4 items, and you can see that Parker is added in there. Now if you want to modify an existing item in the dictionary, you simply put the key of the existing item into the square brackets and then assign a new value. So you can see here we have the 3 values. We reassign the Ralph key to have a value of 15 instead of 5, and then that's reflected here. You can see here that when we assigned a new value to the Ralph key, that it returned to us an optional int here. And this is the new updated value. Now let's say we wanted to have the old value to kind of do some checking and see if our change actually took place. We can call the following on the dogages dictionary. You say update value, you type in the new value, so in this case it's going to be 15 for key, and we'll put in the name of Ralph. So and we need to get rid of that 15. So you see the difference here is rather than returning 15, which is the new value, it gives you the old value, and it still passes it as an optional, so you have to do some checking to see if there is a value there, and if so you can do something with it. In the case when it would not return a value, when it would return nil, is for example if we put a key that is not in the dictionary, it's going to return nil. And to go along with that, if we ever want to get a item out of a dictionary, so let's say we do Ralph age here, we're going to say equals, and we're going to do dog age or dog ages, and call Ralph here for the key. This is going to give us back the value, and again it's going to give us it as an optional. So remember, anytime this is coming out of a dictionary, it's going to be an optional. If you want to delete something from an array, it's very simple. You simply do the name of the array, so in this case dogages, specify the key that you want to delete, so let's delete Ralph. Feel sorry for Ralph, we've been changing his value and now we're going to delete him. You simply put in the key there and then you set it equal to nil, and that will remove it. So you can see here now the dictionary dogages only has these 2 items in it. And just like updating, there's an alternate way to delete values. You can call on the dictionary dot remove value for key. In this case we're going to pass in Ralph, and this passes us out the old value, the value of the item that we're deleting, right? So before, when we just said, in the square brackets this, we return back nil, but if we want to, we can use this remove value for key, and it spits back to us the item or the value of the item that we're deleting.